We have dragons.
Hello, friends! Are you a true fan of the How to Train Your Dragon movie series? Then this challenge is for you! We've got 30 questions split into easy, medium, and hard levels. You'll have just 5 seconds to guess each answer, earning 1 point for every correct guess. Here's how your fan level breakdown. If you guess more than 25 correctly, you are an ultimate fan of this movie. If you get between 20, 25 points, you are a super fan. Likewise, we have divided your fan level based on your score. Here's the list of ultimate fans from the last quiz. Check if your name is on the list. Keep participating in our future quiz videos as well. Now, let's get started. Alright, let's begin with the easy level. Where does Hiccup live? Oh yes, the correct answer is Burke. Can you guess the character by looking at the weapon and shadow? It's Drago. Who guessed it right? Can you guess the word related to the movie? Oh yes, it's Burke. How many How to Train Your Dragon animated movies have been released so far? Yes, of course. It's answer A, 3 movies. Can you guess the character by the voice?
Hiccup already killed a Night Fury, so does that disqualify him, or...?
Yes, of course. It's Snotlout.
Hiccup already killed a Night Fury, so does that disqualify him, or...?
Can you guess the character by emojis? Oh yes, it's Fish Legs. What's the name of the character who trains the young Vikings? Yes, it's Gobber. Easy peasy. Now let's test your observation skills. Can you guess the hidden character? Yes, it's Hiccup. Who got that? Now let's move on to a question about dragons. Who is the owner of Stormfly? Yes, it's Astrid. Who got that right? Who are not characters in the first movie? Yes, it's answer C, Valka and Eret. Here we go to the medium level. How many years does Valka disappear from her family? Answer D, 20 years. Can you guess the character by looking at the weapon and shadow? Yes, of course, it's Astrid. Can you guess the word related to the movie? This one might be a little bit harder. That's right, the word is Viking. What body part does Hiccup lose at the end of the first movie? Yes, it's answer A, his left leg. Can you guess the character by the voice?
Soil my bridges. That is a Night Fury. Thought they were all gone for good.
Yes, of course, it is Eret.
Soil my bridges. That is a Night Fury. Thought they were all gone for good.
Buddies, I'm sorry to bother you. I'm going to take 15 seconds of your time. Thanks for watching so far. If you're enjoying the video, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with all my latest content. Feel free to share your thoughts about our channel, whether positive or negative. We'll work on your suggestions to make the channel more fun and enjoyable for you. Your feedback means a lot to us. Thank you, and let's get back to the video. Can you guess the character by these two emojis? Yes, it's Hiccup. What is the name of this baby dragon? Yes, the answer is answer B, Terrible Terror. Let's see if you can spot the hidden character in this picture. Yes, it's Fishlegs. Who figured it out? Here's another dragon challenge for you. Can you tell me who is the owner of this dragon according to the movie? Yes, of course. It's Snotlout. What is the species name of Drago's dragon? Yes, the answer should be Bewilderbeast. Here we go to the hard level. Good luck. What parts of Gobber's body has he lost? Yes, it should be answer D. Left hand and right leg. Who is the character that this weapon and shadow belong to? Yes, of course. The correct answer is Valka. Can you guess the missing letters? This word is related to the movie. Yes, the correct answer is Snotlout. What are the release years of the 3 How to Train Your Dragon movies? Yes, it should be answer C. Time to guess another character by the voice.
One day, you're gonna pick a fight you can't win.
It is Gobber. Who got that right?
One day, you're gonna pick a fight you can't win.
Can you guess the hidden character by these 2 emojis? Yes, it is Drago. Which dragon or dragons do Hiccup and Astrid ride together in the movie series? Yes, it is answer C, Toothless and Stormfly. Again, a hard one. Can you guess the hidden character? Yes, it's Toughnut. Now test your dragon knowledge. Who owns Meatlug in the movie? Yes, of course. It's fish legs. Which dragon later befriends Eret? It is answer D, Stormfly. Alright friends, this is the end of the video. Thanks for sticking with us until the end. Have a nice day.